This is a video walkthrough tour of 4144 North 3rd Avenue, Apartment 2 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. This amazing 2-bedroom, 1-bath home boasts a nice kitchen with white cabinetry, granite countertops, and a modern tile backsplash that frames the window looking out to the courtyard. It also has a walk-in pantry, which holds the stacked washer and dryer that's included. This beautifully renovated, single-story home is modern with classic details. Off the hallway, you will find an updated bath with a shower tub combo, a water-saving commode, and sink with vanity. This home features gorgeous wood-look tile that runs throughout for easy maintenance, blinds in every room, and fans and light fixtures in the bedrooms. Thank you for watching the tour and have a wonderful day.